Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Alright, Squadron. Pardon the setup, but the dryer is the platform as of right now. Don't trip. Anyway, this is what we're doing, my guys. So we just got the K&N high flow air filter right along with the DNA high performance air filter cover. We're gonna slap both of these onto the RC 390. We're gonna see what the difference is as far as what I've been told, as far as what I've heard. A lot of people have been kind of saying like it gives you that intake kind of noise or sound to go along with the throttle of the bike. So we will see, Squadron. Let's see what it looks like. Start, right? Number one hitter quitter. Let's go. First key, let's go. Let's take out the seat, right? That's first joint. Always like to put stuff back where it was at. That's always a good start. So, seat out. Once you take out the seat, that is going to start to give us access to the air cover and then the air filter. So let's finish taking off the, I want to say the rear tank guard, the rear tank cover, the rear tank fairing? I don't know. Let's go. So taking off your rear tank fairing, your rear tank cover, whatever presume you'd like to call it, is going to be 2 5mm hex screws. So you're gonna have one here, then the other one right over here. Once you take those out, it's gonna be 2 tabs, I want to say. One is gonna be right here, then the other one is gonna be right here. Once you pull those, but once you take the screws out and then you pull those out, that'll let you pull the whole cover back. So let's get to it. Alright, team, so don't judge me. I got a little overzealous and I put the DNA sticker / decal already on this little shroud that goes over your, I guess your air filter cover. That's going to turn into the high performance DNA air filter. So let's get this off. Let's get this off. We're taking this bracket off. It's going to be 2, I don't know if you can see that one here, but coming over here, you should be able to see it. This one right here, those are 5s. When you come to the rear, these are 4s. So once we take these off, it's gonna be a 5. These are gonna be 4 Allen key hex heads. Take those off, and then that'll give us access to the air filter and the air filter cover. Let's go. So now, bracket out the way, right? So we're still gonna go with the 4mm. Let's break these 6 bolts loose. And then now just able to unscrew them real quickly. Let's go through that, get the cover off, and keep going. All right, 18, let's get it right. So this is the cover. Cover goes on like so, right? Check. So 6 bolts out, cover is off, 6 bolts in tow. Come over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Checkmate, that's good. This is already oiled. Same thing with the K&N air filter. This already comes oiled, hence the installation instructions. And then you can kind of see some of the oil already on the bag around the edges. but we good to go, team. Let's do a quick swap. Get the new K&N air filter in, and let's get the old 1 tab, 2 tab. Should be able to pull. There we go. And old filter comes out. Let's junk it. And new K&N. Let's get it unpackaged. Let's get it set up and in there. And let's keep going. So squad, new K&N high flow air filter in. Everything snapped in. Good to go. That's not going anywhere. Everything locked in. Old cover. Just gonna put that to the side, and let's come over here with the DNA high performance air filter cover and see what's going on. Let's just switch those bolts over. It's going to be the same 6 bolts that you took out from the original cover, and then we're going to just slap those back in and throw this on, team. So let's go. Should be going on just like that. But let's take the plastic off. Let's get it set with the bolts, those 6 silver bolts right here, and let's get it going. Hey team, I don't know if you can see it through the camera. I'm try and grab an angle, but you can kind of see the oil already on the DNA air filter cover. So your K&N air filter is gonna come already oiled. Your DNA air filter cover is gonna already come oiled. So you should be good. Everything should be plug and play. We got rid of all the garbage. Let me kind of just give y'all that if y'all looking for somewhat of a part number. That's the filter you want, 1217. DNA, it's kind of self-explanatory. Doesn't really have too much of a part number on it, unless that's the part number. But yeah. Now you don't want to stay. Perfect. So this is where we at. Let's tighten it down. Let's go. All right, team. So we have the K&N air filter installed. We also have the DNA air filter cover installed. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's go. About to take it for a quick test ride. See, we got a quicker throttle response, and along with the quicker throttle response, see how it feels or how it sounds with the new air filter setup. Let's go. So now that you got the air filter cover on, everything is really just gonna go in reverse order. So now we have the cover that has your 2 5s in the front here, and then the other one right over here. Don't know if you'll be able to see that. Then your 2 4s, one here, one here. We'll put those on. After that comes the cover fairing, you know what I mean, to the back of the tank. And we'll put that on with the 2 5s. That's that. So let's do it. Hey team, so got the bike back together, kind of ready to see what it sounds like. Let's grab the key and see what we sound like with the cover and everything on. Should have had a quick sound check before, but I'll go to one of my old little revs and see what we sound like. But let's see what we sound like now.